reading from the second book of Samuel. When King David was settled in his palace, and the Lord had given him rest from his enemies on every side, he said to Nathan the prophet, "Here I am living in house of cedar, while the ark of God dwells in a tent." Nathan answered the king, "Go, do whatever you have in mind, for the Lord is with you." But that night the Lord spoke to Nathan and said, "Go tell my servant David, thus says the Lord, should you build me a house to dwell in? I have not dwelt in a house from the day on which I led the Israelites out of Egypt. It was I who took you from the pasture and from the care of the flock to be commander of my people Israel. I have been with you wherever you went, and I have destroyed all your enemies before you. And I will make you famous like the great ones of the earth. I will fix a place for my people Israel. I will plant them so that they may dwell in their place without further disturbance. Neither shall the wicked continue to afflict them, as they did of old. Since the time I first appointed judges over my people Israel, I will give you rest from all your enemies. The Lord also reveals to you that He will establish a house for you. And when your time comes and you rest with your ancestors, I will raise up your heir after you, sprung from your loins, and I will make his kingdom firm. I will be a father to him, and he shall be a son to me. Your house and your kingdom shall endure forever before me. Your throne shall stand firm forever." The word of the Lord. Thanks.
So, ulit. So, himay-himay natin. So, in verse 1, okay, si David, okay, nasaan siya?
Sa palace.
Settled na siya sa palace. Ano pa yung description bukod doon? About the enemies?
Was kept safe.
So, safe. So, it was a time of peace. Tinanong ngayon niya may binanggit siya kay Prophet Nathan. Okay, ano yung binanggit niya?
Here I am living in a house of cedar.
But the ark of God is housed in a tent.
So, here, King David, settled siya sa palace. Pero napuna niya, okay, yung Ark of the Covenant, nasaan?
Nasa tent.
Tent. Okay. Yung House of Cedar, ano yun? Maganda. Okay. So, yun ngayon yung sentimiento ni King David. Okay. Ano ngayon ang sabi ngayon ni Nathan, kay King?
Do as it seems fit to you, for Yahweh is with you.
Okay. Verse 4. That night, okay, so the Lord spoke to Nathan. Ano ngayon ang sinabi ni Yahweh kay Nathan?
Go and tell my servant David, thus say the Lord, should you build me a house to dwell in?
Okay. So, pumapayag na si Yahweh. Sige, gawan mo ko ng bahay. Okay? So, punta tayo sa 8. Okay? Verse 8. Sino ang humango kay David sa pasture? In verse 8b. So, it was I. Sino yung it was I?
Yahweh.
So, Yahweh. Okay. So, ngayon kinuwento ni Yahweh, yung binanggit ni Yahweh through Nathan, yung pinagagawa ni Yahweh. Okay. So, first, nilabas siya sa pasture. Tapos, saan siya nilagay? Servers, verse 8b. Ano yung alagaan ni David?
The people of Israel.
The people of Israel, hindi na yung mga tupa, people of Israel na. Okay. Tapos, doon sa enemies, ano nangyari?
Destroyed.
Cut enemies. All your enemies before you.
So, na-destroy yung mga enemies. And then after, ano pa?
I will make you famous.
So, naging famous siya. Sinettle sila, yung Israelites, okay, as a people. Okay. Now, in verse 14a, okay, so may mapapanganak daw, no? Okay, from his house. Now, ano magiging turing ni Yahweh doon sa sa
Father.
I will be a father
Father
to
to
him.
him, and she will.
He shall
and
be
he
my
will
son.
So, father ang relasyon nun. Okay? And yung magiging anak na yon from the offspring of David, ano magiging ugnayan niya kay Yahweh? So, father, tapos siya,
Son.
son.
Father and son.
Can any relationship be closer than that?
No.
Father and son, pamilya tayo. So, yun yung sinasabi ni Yahweh. Okay. In verse 15, 16 na ba? 16. Yung house, okay, and your kingdom, sandali lang ba yan?
It will last forever.
Will last forever. Okay, so nagsimula yung reading, may sentimiento si King David, yung bahay ko, ang ganda-ganda, dito ako settled, comfortable, pero yung Ark of the Covenant, nasa tent lang. Okay? And then, nagkaroon ng si Nathan, in-instruct ngayon niya si David, go! Okay? Build a house. Tapos, minensyon na si Yahweh nga ang kumuha sa'yo from the pasture. Ngayon, giginawa kang commander and all that. Okay? And magkakaroon ka ng offspring from your loins. At ito, ang turing ni Yahweh, magiging anak. At yung anak, tunay ng tatay niya si Yahweh. So, very close yung. And etong kingdom na ito, etong relationship na ito, hindi pandandalian. Paano natin may uugnay etong reading na ito doon sa gospel? What do you think is the connection? May nakikita ba kayo?
Pagkaroon ng son.
Parehong magkakaroon ng offspring. Okay. So, dito si David, from his magkakaroon siya ng offspring. From his line, okay, magiging. Dito naman, si Mama Mary. Okay, and Jesus. Ano pa?
Siguro finding favor with God.
Okay.
Diba, sabi doon dito sa reading na parang He brought you parang away from your enemies to become ruler. So parang He has found great favor with God also. In the same way, yun yung greeting ng angel kay Mama Mary.
So si David found favor in God. Mama Mary found favor as well. Okay, anything more na makikita kayo na connection? Baka nakikita Jessica, meron parang bigla ka, nagulat.
Sabi kasi dito, diba, dun sa gospel, parang sinabi yung about Jesus, sabi na mag-reign siya forever. Tapos parang sinabi din dito, dun sa first reading, your house and your kingdom shall endure forever. So parang almost the same. Kasi, yun nga, parang they found favor in God. So with God's help, maglalast forever yung
Okay.
sense.
So yung found, yung reign. Ako nakikita ko yung home dwelling. Okay. O mama, ano?
Sa akin lang, yung Son of God, magdudwell siya kay Mama Mary. So yun yung magiging home niya. Doon siya lalaki from sa fetus hanggang lumaki siya. So ganun din naman doon sa dwelling, yung Ark of the Covenant na nilipat siya, ginawa siya ng house na maganda. So parang similar.
So magkakaroon na ng hindi na sa tent, pero sa isang
Oo.
house. Ito naman si Mama Mary became the vessel, became the home of
The Son of
Jesus,
God.
the Son of God. So ano nakikita nyo? Nakikita nyo ba yung fulfillment ng tong first reading doon sa
Sa gospel.
gospel? Okay? So yun.